In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs in Adobe Express. If you want to make your design more dynamic and eye-catching, adding a GIF is a quick and easy way to do it. Adobe Express makes this process very simple, and once you know where to click, you can bring animated elements into your project in just a few moments. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want the GIF to appear. This could be a presentation slide, a social media graphic, a video page, or any other project you're currently working on. Starting from the correct project helps you place the animation exactly where you need it without having to move between files later. Once your project is open, look over to the left side panel. This is where you'll find many of the tools used to add content to your design. In that panel, find the upload option and click it. This section allows you to bring files from your computer directly into Adobe Express, including GIF files. After you click Upload, your computer's file browser will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your GIF is saved. Take a moment to find the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions downloaded. When you found the GIF you want to use, select it, then click Open. You can also press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the selection. Adobe Express will then import the GIF into your project. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the GIF appear in your design. If it doesn't seem to be moving right away, click play on it so you can preview the animation. This is a helpful way to confirm that the correct file was added and that it looks the way you expected inside the project. Next, click and drag the GIF to reposition it wherever you want on the canvas. You can place it in a corner, center it, or line it up with other elements in your layout. If you need to adjust the size, click on the GIF so the resize handles appear around it. Then drag those handles inward or outward to make it smaller or larger. As you resize, try to keep the design balanced so the GIF supports your content instead of overpowering it. And that's it. That's how to add GIFs in Adobe Express. Once your GIF is in place, you're ready to continue editing your project and make sure everything looks just the way you want.